You want the door shut?
Yep. Close behind you.
I got it.
Anywhere's fine. Yeah. So, yeah, thanks again for helping with the move. Do you want a glass of water or anything?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take a glass.
Apple?
Sure, why not?
Sure, okay.
Cool. Thank you.
Good choice.
Thanks.
What was that?
Oh, that?
Yeah.
That's, my new weight loss fridge. It's, helped me slim down on the LBs. Comes with a nice little personal trainer inside.
So, like a guy?
What? No. No, it's sentient. Don't be stupid.
Cool. Yeah. Sentient.
Yeah.
Cool.
Mind of its own.
I'm gonna get heading out.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool.
So, I'll see you tomorrow. Good luck with the rest of the move.
Yeah, no problem. I'll see you around, man.
Nice kid.
He really is.
Hold on, let me trap you. Cookies?
Yeah, it's been a long day.
Sure.
It has. I was just gonna have one anyway.
That's why you grabbed the whole box. I saw you looking at the apples.
Oh, yeah, but I had one earlier today.
Come on. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I had one when Collin was here.
You mean that one?
Shut up, fridge. Hey, fridge, did you change the grocery list?
Maybe. Why?
Oh, well, you crossed out cookies.
Making healthy choices.
Oh, well, you also added poison on there.
That wasn't me. Didn't you add that?
No, I checked my schedule, and, turns out I didn't have anything planned this week that, needed me to add poison to the grocery list.
Fridgie's just kidding around, ain't you, Fridgie? He just wants you to be healthy.
Yeah. Greens and greens, man. I was just kidding about the poison.
Now why don't you just have a popsicle?
I could go for a popsicle.
What about your caloric intake? How many sugars have you already had today?
Oh, calm down. Let the boy enjoy his popsicle.
I scream. What happened to Freezer?
All you did was keep ice cream in there.
You did this?
You wanted to be healthy.
What did you do?
He got what was coming.
Ah!